India-US trade deal. Donald Trump announced 25% tariffs on India, plus penalty for buying energy and arms from Russia. US President Donald Trump on Wednesday announced that India will have to pay 25% tariff plus additional penalty for buying energy and military equipment from Russia. 25% tariff rate announced for India is 1% less than 26% declared by Donald Trump in his April 2nd Liberation Day conference. While India is our friend, we have over the years done little business with them because their tariffs are far too high, among the highest in the world, and they have the most obnoxious and strenuous non-monetary trade barriers of any country. Donald Trump said on a social media post on Truth Social. So they have bought a vast majority of military equipment from Russia and are the Russia's largest buyer, along with China at a time when everyone wants Russia to stop killing in Ukraine. All things are not good. India therefore will be paying 25% tariff plus additional penalty from August 1. The President's announcement of extra penalty against India follows a warning giving Russia a fast and a ultimatum to achieve peace with Ukraine and offers to halt the conflict. What do Donald Trump's 25% tariffs on India mean? What happens if they stay? US President Donald Trump has hit India with 25% tariff ahead of his August 1 reciprocal tariff deadline. India and US are working on a trade deal, but no interim trade agreement has been finalized. With this, India has become the latest addition to the list of countries subjected to higher tariffs. The US revised bills will affect India's exports of goods to America, projected at approximately $87 billion in 2024. This includes labor-intensive sectors including apparel, medicine, gems, petrochemicals, and jewelry. The trade imbalance between India and US is at $45.7 billion, favoring India. Indian negotiators have done well to remain steadfast in securing national interest. We are watching the situation closely as the US negotiators are scheduled to visit New Delhi on 25th of August 2025. What India has said about the 25% tariff. In a statement, the Minister of Commerce and Industry said the government has taken note of a statement by the US President on bilateral trade. The government is studying its implications. India and US have remained engaged in negotiations on concluding a fair, balanced and mutually beneficial trade agreement over the past few months. We remain committed to that objective. Agnesar Sen, trade policy leader India, says the decision to raise US tariffs to 25% on Indian exports is unfortunate development. If this tariff is sustained, this move may directly affect key sectors such as marine products, pharmaceuticals, textiles, leather and automobile, where bilateral trade has been especially robust. I am confident that considering our shared interest and history of cooperation, considering the interest and history of cooperation, the both sides will be able to address these contentious issues constructively and arrive at a mutually beneficial trade agreement in the near term, he added. The most worrying bit about 25% tariff is not the figure itself, but the fact that India's Asian peers have managed to secure deals with the Trump administration that have lower duties. Japan will pay 15%, Vietnam 20%, and Indonesia has a tariff of 19%. This will hit India's competitive advantageous figures of exports. Talking about India-US trade deal negotiation, Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal recently said, "What is important is to get preferential market access over our competitors, our peers. A well-negotiated trade deal that addresses all the aspects of trade, investment, and tariff and non-tariff barriers by October 2025 is likely to yield long-term benefits than a hurried trade deal.